Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to the latest reports from Amhara region, heavy fighting is going on around Shiva Robert on A2 highway. According to the Tigray Defense Force sources, Tigray Defense Force soldiers still in control of Shiva Robert. With Tigray Defense Force in control of some parts of Shiva Robert or in fully control of Shiva Robert, it is not even confirmed yet. But latest updates is that Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers present in Shiva Robert and furious fighting ongoing between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. Reports coming that each side is using artillery mortars D30, M30, and T55 tanks. Each side serving at their best to fighting furiously. At this time, situation in and around Shiva Robert is very tense and panic spread among the citizens. Whereas on the other hand, Obasanjo again present in Mekelle, and Obasanjo has held talks with the Tigray president Dr. Debretsion Gebremichael. This comes after US Special Envoy met Ethiopia's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister. Viewers, on the other hand, today many videos received from sources. I will share this video with you. These are original videos material checked on provenance in multiple ways showing mechanized weapons transfer between Ethiopian National Defense Force Northern Command and Eritrean Defense Force on 5 November 2020 in Mukti Eritrea. And in second part of video you will see handover of military equipment by Ethiopian National Defense Force to Eritrean Defense Force on 5 November in Mukti Eritrea. First, there is also a black Land Cruiser car which has an Eritrean plate number with blue and red color. Some men were also seen dressed in Eritrean military uniform next to the car, and the guy moving towards the car is believed to be the commander of the Eritrean force in the scene. In last video clip, you will see the another segment of the video of handover of weapons by Ethiopian National Defense Force to Eritrean Defense Force in Mukti Eritrea. And the filmer makes a 360-degree turn around, which may help precise localization of this event on 5th November 2020. And the source indicated that this video shows members of the Ethiopian National Defense Force who crossed to Eritrea from around Shiraro in northwestern Tigray, and the place was identified as Mukti in upper Gashabarka zone and Eritrea few kilometers from the border town of Badme. And Ethiopian National Defense Force were handing over military tanks, cars, and equipments to members of the Eritrean Defense Force. The video shows men dressed in Ethiopian and Eritrean military uniforms, more than 38 tanks, 8 pickup patrols, and other military trucks and cars were seen in the video. And the majority of men in the video dressed in Ethiopian military uniform, The color painted on the tank similar to the military tanks used by the Ethiopian Defense Force, and the color painted on the pickup patrols similar to the pickup patrols used by members of the Ethiopian military. Men dressed in Ethiopian military uniform were also seen in the video speaking Amharic, which is the official working language of Ethiopia. Some of the men dressed in Eritrean military uniforms were speaking Tigringa in the video, and the man recording the video was speaking Tigrigna. Let's watch the video clip, then we talk further.
كلهم تكاتك
Whereas, on the other hand, according to the senior journalist, fears are growing that Ethiopian Air Force pilots detained because they are Tigrayan and will be sent to the Eritrea. And members of the Tigrayan diaspora are increasingly concerned that members of their family who are picked up earlier this month may be sent to Asmara. Betty, whose brother Colonel Mologita is among the detained, says she is deeply worried about him. I am feeling lost and shaking. I cannot feed my 6-month old baby because I am very worried. My husband cannot go to work. US Colonel Mulugeta is among a number of senior Ethiopian Air Force pilots whom his sister says are being held hostage at Havasa University in Yergalem. He is among around 5,000 Tigrayans who are reported to be being held at the university, and a list of Ethiopian Air Force personnel threatened with deportation to Eritrea has been posted on social media by Dade Desta. He wrote, in apparent move to undermine Ethiopia's post-Abe Air Force capability, Eritrea has asked him to hand it over 16 detained Tigrayans Air Force officers that have been detained since 2020 at the start of the war on Tigray. And fear is Abe might comply with the Trisonan's demand. And the name of Tigrayan Ethiopian Air Force pilot is that Colonel Molugita, Colonel Tasige, Colonel Musei Kilam, Colonel Gebre Selassie, Major Hiluf, Major Mulagita Wobit, Major Emmanuel, Major Jonas Hagos, and Captain Daniel Gebre Medhen, Captain Tikhle, Captain Kibrom, Captain Arsibaha, Captain Ukbe, Captain Tekle Himanot, Captain Emmanuel, and Captain Mibrato. So viewers, so far the latest update For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.